Good morning, dear students. Today's date is 23 June 2020, day Wednesday. Today we are going to start chapter 7 articles. Read these sentences. This is a rose. The rose smells sweet. That is an orchard. The orchard is fragrant. The highlighted words are articles. The three words a, an, and the are articles. Articles modify nouns. They are placed before nouns. Articles are of two types, indefinite articles and definite articles. Indefinite articles, a and an, are indefinite articles. We use a or an before nouns that do not refer to a specific person or thing. Means whenever we are speaking in general. Okay, my sister gifted me a book. I want to eat an apple. We use a or an before nouns when we talk about them for the first time. When we talk about the nouns for the first time, we use a or an. Examples: I saw an elephant in the zoo. I saw a lion in the forest. A is used before nouns beginning with a consonant sound. An is used before nouns beginning with a vowel sound. A and an always mean any one thing. They are used before singular countable nouns. Examples: a ball, an orange, a cat, an owl. Now let's see the exercise 1. Fill in the blanks with the words given below. Add a or an before each word. One has been done for you. Apple, ostrich, pencil, doctor, cat, island, clock, umbrella. A. My father is a doctor. Japan is an island country. Here I is used here as vowel and the word starts from island. So an is used here as an article. See, it's raining and I am not carrying an umbrella. Here again umbrella starts from the vowel sound. That's why an umbrella. D. Penny gifted me a cat on my birthday. Here cat sound starts from consonant. Okay, so A. E. I have an eraser, but I need to buy a pencil. F. There is a clock on top of your car. G. Have you ever seen an ostrich run? H. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. When we add an adjective before a noun, we place the articles before the adjective. Examples: a large animal. Large is an adjective, animal is a noun, and we placed article a before the adjective. Alright, means whenever we add adjective to the noun, we place articles before the adjective. An interesting program. An is an article, and interesting is adjective. So an is placed before interesting. Alright, see question 2. Add an adjective before each noun and then write a or an correctly. One has been done for you. An intelligent girl, a new car, a large elephant, an island country. You can write a big elephant, okay, a kind elephant. It depends on you. The choice of adjectives and articles But you have to keep in mind that whenever the word starts with vowel sound, we have to use an. And when the adjective starts from consonant sound, we use a. Okay, you can choose adjectives as per your choice, or you can write as like as me. It depends on your choice. E, an excellent idea, an intelligent actor. Okay, an ambitious actor, we can say, a determined actor. Okay, it depends on your choice of adjectives. Then definite articles. The is called the definite article. The is used to refer to specific persons or things. It can be used with singular, plural, countable and uncountable nouns. Again, one more time. When we specify the person or a thing, we use the. Okay. And we use it with singular, plural, countable and uncountable, both the nouns. The house, singular, countable. The trees, plural, countable. The milk, uncountable. Alright. Using the definite articles, we use the to refer to a particular person or thing which we already know about. Examples: this is the dish that I made last evening. Mother asked me to water the plant in the balcony. Here we are speaking about the particular dish and particular plant. Alright, that's why we use the. We use the before a noun which has already been mentioned once. Example: he got a job. The job will involve some travel. I went for a walk. The walk was refreshing. Here, job and walk used before, and then whenever we use it second time, we need to add the. Okay, how was the walk? The walk was refreshing. Next, we use the to talk about unique things. There is only one of these things. Examples: I saw the sun rise this morning. Nisha wants to travel the world. We use the before superlative adjectives. Examples: Annie is the most intelligent girl of her class. Annie is the most intelligent girl of her class. This is the cutest puppy I have ever seen. Here, when we use the superlative forms most intelligent and cutest, we use the. Alright, now let's see the next rule. We use the before ordinal numbers and the word last when it refers to a position in a series. She was the first one to arrive. Next, I am reading the last chapter of the book. We use the before some proper nouns. Proper nouns: the names of rivers, oceans and mountain ranges. The Pacific Ocean, the Nile, the Himalayas, the Alps. The names of famous buildings and monuments: the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort, the White House, the Eiffel Tower, the Statue of Liberty. The names of holy books and newspapers: the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, the Indian Express, the Times of India, the Economic Times. The name of some countries: the United States of America, the United Kingdom. Alright, so these are some proper nouns. Okay, and with them we use the. Now let's see question 3. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. I love to have an omelette for breakfast. Jenna moved to the USA when she was 15 years old. I met a boy at the grocery store. D. My grandfather was the oldest guest at the party. The Nile is one of the longest rivers in the world. Now let's see the next part. F. Brad looked worried as he had lost an important document. An is used here because adjective starts with the vowel sound. G. This is the temple that I visited last year. H. Carlos' father works as an electrician. Use the before these words in sentences of your own. In this exercise, you can form your own sentences or you can use my sentences as reference also. Choice is yours. If you want to practice more, then it's better to use your own sentences. Alright. Earth. The earth orbits the sun. Boy. The boy got scolded. Orange. The orange tabby was twice the size of every other cat he had seen. D. The second lesson is very simple. E. Bible. I began to read the Bible long before I could understand it. F. Highest. Mount Adam, the highest hill in the island, is 2,315 feet. G. Monument. Her father moved to the center of the monument and looked around. Omission of article. We do not use an article before some nouns. Before plural nouns when they are being used as a general word to represent a class or a group. Example, teachers shape the future of students. Cow and sheep are domestic animals. Before proper nouns. Example, Paris is a beautiful city. Helen is my best friend. Next, before names of sports, language and subjects. Examples, her brother plays golf at the national level. The toddler is learning to speak English and French. All the students did well in maths. Before relations. Mother works in a hospital. Father makes us breakfast every morning. Fill in the blanks with the or no article. The President of India lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Here NA means no article and the is used before Rashtrapati Bhavan. B. I like to watch football more than cricket. As these two are sports, there is no need of any article. C. Please give me dash chocolate cake. So the chocolate cake. Please give me the chocolate cake. D. Rome is the capital of Italy. Okay, because it is proper noun. E. Where is the pen I lent you last week? F. Mrs. Lin can speak Chinese. As a language, there is no need of any article. Doctors are people who save lives. H. I have no idea how big the earth is. Complete the story with a and the or no article. I am from Agra. Agra is a famous city in India. It is situated on the banks of the river Yamuna. People from all over the world visit Agra to see the Taj Mahal. I live in a big house in an area called Subhash Nagar. The house was built by my grandfather and it is more than 100 years old. Next one. I am a student. I like reading books and playing chess. My mother is a teacher. She teaches us English and history. My father is an architect. Form question 7. Form questions and answers using the words and phrases given below. Place the correct articles before the words. Follow example. Eagle, longest river, most beautiful, vacation, newspaper, apple, France, last day of school, first day of the week and Anita. First example, is that an eagle perched on the tree? Yes, it is an eagle. Now see rest of the works. As in our textbook there is limited space, so you can draw extra lines. Okay, second one I have written here first, but this one is the second. Okay, which is the longest river in the world? Here our question is longest river. So the Nile is the longest river in the world. Second, which is the most beautiful building in Morbi? Mani Mandir is the most beautiful building in Morbi. 3. When are you going on a vacation? I am going on a vacation next month. 4. Which newspaper do you read? I read the Times of India. 5. Are you having an apple? Yes, I am having an apple. 6. Have you ever been to France? No, I have never been to France. 7. Which is the first day of the week? Monday is the first day of the week. 8. Who is Anita? Anita is a student. 9. Which was the last day of school? 19th March was the last day of school. I hope that you understood the way of using articles. You have to complete exercise of chapter 7 articles in your workbook. Thank you. Now it's a time of recapitulation. What we have done today? Today we got to know about articles, indefinite articles, definite articles, then omission of articles, and we have solved the exercise also. I hope that you understood the use of articles. I will share you one video of articles also, and you have to complete all the exercises. I will provide you the PDF of exercise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Alright, I hope that it is quite easy for you. Thank you.